Hey there, welcome to Joe Bar. My name is Vane. I'll be the one making your drinks. I have to admit, it's rare we get a new face around here. A lot of our guests are regulars. Are you new to the city? The other side, huh? Well, that's sweet of you to help them move. So, this is the menu. Tell me if anything catches your eye. We have all sorts of popular cocktails, and an excellent assortment of expensive brands. Someone who dresses as nicely as you do should be able to afford the items here. And maybe since it's your first time, I can treat you to the more exclusive stock. Unlike the other nearby bars, we have access to some of the rarer imports. What's that look on your face? You've become as pale as the napkins. Don't let the price scare you. Our drinks are one of a kind. Oh. Well, we do get a lot of people who come to our doors. Our clientele usually includes businessmen, politicians, a celebrity or two. They're more than happy to spend their money on drinks. I doubt you'd be interested in what they do in their free time. And maybe it's best not to get involved in other people's business. Alright. How about we go back to that drink? What would you like? Oh, excellent choice. One Manhattan, coming right up. This'll take a second, so be good and look pretty for me while I whip this up for you. Here you are. One Manhattan. Just for you. And since I'm feeling so generous tonight, it'll be on me. No need to pay for it. Yes, really. No need to give me that look. I can be generous to those who come here. Sometimes. So long as no one else finds out about this. You're welcome. I hope that it's to your liking. It took some time to be able to learn how to make drinks like that. Though, I can't say it's my specialty, since I only help out when there's a lack of helping hands. What do I usually do? You can say I tend to conduct business with other bar owners. It's sort of like a family-run business that's very demanding, and at times you have to lend a helping hand. You see, the one who owns everything here is a little bit of a perfectionist, and he isn't fond of things going sideways. Everyone has their part to play. Yeah, exactly. I get a job, I do it. Now you're starting to understand. It's not every day I encounter someone who catches on so quick. I also like it when they're easy on the eyes and equally charming. So, how about another drink? There's no one else sitting at the bar, and I'm beginning to enjoy your company even more. Glad I could help you tick off meeting someone new for you. And as for that second drink, one Long Island iced tea coming up. Here we are. One hard-hitting iced tea. Aren't I the best? What? What's the harm in trying to get a compliment from you? Are you trying to say I'm not the best? I'm almost tempted to ask, who would be a better stand-in bartender? Dress well, have a handsome face, dazzling personality. Oh, and I make good cocktails, obviously. Why seek compliments? You can't expect me to sing my own praises. It makes my efforts to look good be pointless. Do I have to do more to dazzle you? My, so hard to please. A compliment's a compliment, no matter how small. So yeah, I'm a little bit happier now that you said that. If I recall, you said you had a friend move to this area recently. You waiting for them? Do they live in the neighborhood then? That's quite the upgrade. The most high-end part of the city. We have some of the city's richest to visit this bar. Must have been quite the promotion they got. Or do they run a business? Maybe they just come from a wealthy family? I see. Maybe I'll find out when they come join us. You're already 2 drinks ahead, and they still haven't come through that door. I'm finding it interesting that you don't talk much about their career or their life. Isn't that what friends are for? Family's a really big thing here. You can never find others as loyal as those you consider part of the family. Am I close with my family? You could say that. Blood is thicker than water, and liquor. Some of my family members are a bit more upstanding than others, but they're all decent in their own right. Ultimately, we watch out for each other, and sometimes we want to kill each other. But we don't. If only due to principle. But hey, that's every family, isn't it? Now, that's enough about that. Tell me a bit more about yourself. What do you do for work? A normal office worker, you say? Sometimes a 9 to 5 sounds enticing. Definitely could be less stressful than other jobs out there. Careful what you wish for. Sometimes wishing for excitement can bring about unexpected things, and not all of them positive. It's too bad you're expecting someone tonight. We could have explored ways and seeing if we could give your life a little shake up. Go ahead, answer it. Take your time. It's not like I'm going anywhere. They cancelled on you? That's unfortunate. But hey, it doesn't mean that you didn't go out for nothing. Remember what I just said? How about we explore some ways to bring a little bit of excitement into your life? Good. Then why not live a little tonight? I promised it'll be fun. One of my many skills is providing a thrill. It'll be like a little game. Just between the two of us. Something for us to do to pass the time? Well, in that case, let's begin.